On today's episode of Shag's Shop, Tanner gets new balls. Well, new ball joints, actually.
It's a Tacoma!
And it's a Tacoma. So today we're going to be replacing the upper control arm ball joints. Upper control arm bar joints. And we're going to show you that entire process. So stay tuned as we speed up this entire process.
Hey Mom, look, the boys are back in town.
We have it up in the air.
She's a mess.
She is a mess. So this is actually the first time Tanner has been underneath this truck. She's a little bit leaky.
Just a smooch.
But as y'all saw in the video, for his Tacoma walk around, this is his beauty. So go ahead and show him what that tie rod's doing on that end.
This one, she's a little...
She's a little
loose.
She's a little loose. She's a little loose.
And the upper ball joint, well, we're not even going to talk about it.
The upper ball joint looks about the same. This passenger side...
That one's brand new.
The passenger side is brand new and it's ready to rock and roll. So we're going to throw on a time lapse of us taking off the tire and undoing the nuts and bolts for the spindle. So, with the castle nut off, well, first of all, with the tire off, we got the castle nut out. This is not supposed to look like this. This is usually supposed to look like this. It's supposed to be nice, pretty firm, nice, and there's supposed to be grease in there. And it's not supposed to move like so. So, what you're going to do is you're going to pop this pin off right here with the pinchers. We're going to pop this one off, and then we have to press the whole thing out. Once we press the whole thing out, we take the new one and press it in, put the clip on. This will go back in there, castle nut, and we are good to go. On to the top.
There we go. Yeah, boy, cowboy. Oh, that might be stuck in there, though. There we go.
And just
woo!
Like that, we got it out. Boom. Well, that took a lot less than I was anticipating. But we're gonna clean out this hole, press the new one in,
Be done.
and be ready to rock and roll. As y'all see, we have it nice and flush and seated right there. We went ahead and snapped in the snap ring. And the trick to know if it's perfectly seated in there is to take a screwdriver. And if it moves, hold on. If it moves, there you go. Just like so. If you just push it with a screwdriver, you know it's seated properly. So we're gonna throw the boot back on there, tighten it down the top, and put it back in the upper control arm. We got the ball joint in. We're gonna toast to that. Robert just got here, Shag got here. Now we're gonna start working on the camper. But that's gonna be all for Tanner's ball joints.
No more balls.